Hey there, it's Dan here from Tech Support, and today I would like to show you how you can automatically generate videos using Skylead. Okay, so let me make myself smaller here and move out of the way. Okay, so first of all, I have my Skylead campaign. So of course there are two steps involved that involve Skylead and Sendspark as well. So we'll go first of all to integrations. We'll click on here individual webhooks, click on create, and yeah, so we should see all of these events. So basically what we're setting up is that whenever there's a certain action that happens in Skylead in a Skylead campaign, of course something else will happen in Sunspark, which is basically us creating a video, but automatically in this case. Okay. So once we are here, you can actually scroll down and select individual campaigns, because in that way you'll have full control over to where this action happens, or from where it happens. So I'll click on first because that's the name of my campaign. Okay, but yeah, we'll stick to this section so we can test it out and you'll see how it works. So that said, we'll go to dynamic videos now to our Sunspark account. We'll click on create a new one, and I'll name this Skylead. Hmm. And yeah, just for the sake of the length of this tutorial, I'll select the template option, the template video. We can turn this on. You'll probably know this drill. So I'll just click on continue until I get this section. Okay. So we'll leave this ready just as it is, and I'll show you something else. Okay, so if you go to your menu and you go to API credential, oh, actually, we can actually start here. So again, let me start over. You can click on automatic workflows. So this is a new feature that we have here in Sunspark. So basically, of course, it helps you automate everything, but within Sunspark. Okay, so this is a great feature, by the way. So we'll click on new automation here, and we'll call this Skylead as well. Okay, so we'll need to set up a trigger, which is called webhook. Okay, oops, that's not that we want. Let's try that again. Okay, there we go. Select event, incoming webhook. Yep, I'll simply create a new connection. We can call it, Skylead connection. So for webhook parameters, basically what we're doing is, telling Salesforce that whatever details we get from this specific webhook, we'll need to send that out to a specific place. Okay, so if we go here to Salesforce and click on Help Center, we'll get this new page. And what I want you to do is to just type API. We'll get the very first article right there. That's the one that we want. And if you go down until you see this list, we'll need to click on add a single prospect. Again, don't worry if you're sending multiple prospects, because this is just how it works within a certain amount of time. So it's not like if you send 500 leads, it won't work. Not at all. This will work in most cases. This is actually just for the number of prospects that we can deal within a certain period of time, which is basically something like 1 second or similar. Okay, so this would work. This will work in most cases. So back to our question here, we need to grab this part, copy that, go back to parameters and paste this. Okay. So now we need to change these variables, of course, because this is sort of a template. So we'll need to change this. And for that, we'll go back to our campaign, which is right here. Okay. You can head to the three dots and click here, campaign ID. And then we'll replace this section. And notice that I'm, selecting the curly braces as well. So we don't want anything else right there. So I'll just paste that. And we'll do the same thing for this section, which says workspace ID. So I'll erase it now. And yeah, now I want you to go to your menu and go to API credentials, which is basically where we're standing right now. Okay, because we'll need to grab some information. So workspace ID should be right here. So I'll grab that as well. I'll go here and paste it. Okay, so that looks perfect. Let me go back to API, and we'll need to grab the headers, which are basically sort of the credentials that Skylead will need to, send us information. Okay, so I'll go here and paste this. be sure to remove all all quotation marks, and you can also remove all spaces. And yeah, just be sure that you have one per line, okay? And in this part, we'll actually don't need anything from here, okay? You can leave this as it is because that's something common for everyone. Okay, so we'll need to copy now the secret key and the API key. So we can go into this section and grab it from here. That's my key. Be sure to paste it in the correct section. Do not confuse secret with key. Okay. Okay. And also, if you're wondering, it's completely fine to leave, a little space right there. Don't worry about that. Okay. So now we're good to go. I'll go for continue. Got it. Continue again. Okay, so we'll, get this very long string. We'll copy that, go back to Skylead, and we want to paste this right here. Okay. Now back to our automatic workflow. So I'll click on wait for webhook. Okay, and now back to Skylead. We'll go ahead and test one of these. So, for example, one of the actions that you might be interested in is like when a lead replies. So, like, hey, I've seen your LinkedIn profile. I think it's great. Here, just you can go with your sales page. So the other person replies, okay, that sounds great. Let me know, more about it. And then the system will automatically, get, this webhook and will create a video for you so you can send it over to them. Okay. So we'll click on this and test it out just to see how it responds. We go here and okay, we can see that we actually catch something. So here are the details of the person. Okay, so we'll click on close, and again, this is just a test, but it works the very same the same way. So now we need to select an action. So what is it that we want to happen? Well, we'll click on Sendspark, and the only action that we have here is to for a video to be created. So that's exactly what we want. We'll select your account. Well, of course, we have a huge team here, so I'll go ahead and select my account. Be sure to connect yours. But yeah, now dynamic video campaign. So we want to look for the one that we just created. So this one is called Skylead. So I'll go ahead and look that one up. If you don't see it like the way that I'm not seeing it right now, you just need to click on update because I made the campaign before I opened this section. So let me go ahead. Yeah, there we go. And now we need to do some mapping because of course we want the AI to work. So I'll look for first name. And be sure to select first name and not full name or last name. So first name is what we want. Same for email. Take your time mapping this correctly. You can also, probably ask for more details. I don't think we have a website. Yes, we do. Okay, that's great. Okay, so we'll use that as well. And yeah, we have other options if you plan to, extract maybe the website from the domain of the email. You can also do that, but I'll leave that for another tutorial. Okay, so we can leave this as it is, right? Okay, so I'll click on start, check results. Okay, and I'll give this another try now, but maybe I can use something else like this one. Okay, so this was successful. So we have a result here. It tells us that we have an incoming webhook received. It tells us what are the details that we got, like the email here. We got the website here. Well, in this case, the system sent Skylead sent this website, which is LinkedIn. But anyway, yeah. So everything looks good. I'll close this. Here it says that we have another action, which is basically create the dynamic video. It's in waiting, but we can check the status here. So let me refresh this. Okay, and there we go. We have our video being created. Okay, so yeah, hopefully this makes sense. Just to confirm, always, do not forget to select where we want this webhook integration to be applied to, which is in this case to this campaign. Of course, be sure to click on create so it can start running, and it will apply for every single event. Okay, so that's all. Have a great day. Bye bye.